Hi everyone, Doug and Julie here with our 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. In episode 4 of the Mach-E files, Julie and I shared some of the accessories we bought for our Mach-E. At the time, we discussed buying a sunshade for the large glass sunroof, but decided to wait to see if we really needed one. Well, here we are a couple of years later, and we've decided we do. So this is a quick review of the Blazeray sunshade for a Mustang Mach-E. First, the why. We love our large glass sunroof, but it can be a bit too sunny in the summer months, especially for backseat passengers. It's not a heat problem. The UV glass does a fine job of keeping the interior comfortable, at least here in the Pacific Northwest. The real problem is glare. We often feel like we need to wear a hat or a visor, again, especially for backseat passengers. Depending on the time of day and the angle of the sun, it can be downright uncomfortable. Which brings us to the what. This is a Blazeray flexible sunshade. To be honest, we know next to nothing about Blazeray. There are many companies that make a similar shade, and we chose this one because it was the cheapest and would ship the fastest. We found it on Amazon. It comes in its own storage bag, which we will use again as we plan to only use this during the summer months. For the gray and rainy winter months, we'll keep the glass roof open. One nice thing about this company is the shade also comes with an opaque reflective liner, so if you do live in a hot area like Arizona, you could Velcro this to one side of the sunshade and keep the car even cooler. By itself, the shade is technically translucent, although the tight weave doesn't let in a lot of light. You'll still know where the sun is, but it's much more comfortable to be in the car without the sun beating down on you or blinding your eyes. Installation was pretty easy. It comes with a number of clips that hook onto the flexible edge. Be careful, they break easily.
Oh, I broke it.
Fortunately, there are a few extras. We ended up putting 4 down the sides and 3 at each end. Then it's just a matter of sliding the clips under the factory trim and voila!
It's in.
It's in?
It's in.
Once installed, there is a little flexing, but it seems to hold well, even when we roll the windows down. We've only had it for a couple of weeks now, but so far we're pretty happy with our purchase. I'd say that's $46 well spent. We'll report back if that opinion changes. Honestly, I think the worst part is, I'm not sure if I'll be able to remember how to fold it back up so it'll fit in the storage bag. Surely it's easy. Just a reverse of unfolding it, right? Right? Yeah, we'll figure it out. In the meantime, happy motoring.